Wildfire season has grown longer and longer in Alaska. Although typically over in late July, some of this year's fires are still burning. This is one sign that climate change is significantly impacting the Arctic. One more important part of the problem is the sea ice off of the coast of Alaska. Compared to all other recorded years of research, this August has the lowest levels of Arctic sea ice ever. This is due to rising temperatures and also a longer sea ice melt season. Sea ice melt season is defined as the number of days between spring melt onset and fall freeze-up. It's lengthened Arctic-wide by at least 5 days per decade since 1979. Along Alaska's northern and western coasts, the season has lengthened drastically. In some places, they're experiencing 90 more ice-free days than in 1979. The melting of sea ice has also impacted the lives of the indigenous people of Alaska, whom rely on the sea ice's presence for hunting off of the coast, specifically walrus and other sea mammals. To solve this problem, many hunters are having to get creative. Dennis Davis, a hunter near Shishmaref, uses a drone to judge ice conditions because they are so unpredictable. The melting of the sea ice is pushing caribou closer to civilizations and making that a more sustainable option for sustenance. The melting sea ice creates a larger problem concerning climate change. As sea ice melts, the albedo lowers, which means the Arctic Ocean is absorbing more solar energy and warming even more rapidly. This creates a positive feedback loop, which has been called Arctic amplification, and explains why the Arctic is warming up at roughly twice the rate as the globe as a whole. To tackle these problems, we have to deal with the issue at the core. The most important issue for the Arctic is for global carbon emissions to be curbed.